Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to the Code Story channel. So, we are going to take a look at React, which is, by the way, the environment to start our React app. The very first thing is to install Node.js, and you can do a little bit reading about it if you don't already know it. This is the website for it. You go head to nodejs.org and then download for your platform. If you're using Windows or Mac OS, there's a version for them. Okay, so after installing Node.js, it comes with a package called the npm Node Package Manager, and then you can check or test if it's installed globally in your environment settings. Windows is you are going to check for it by typing node-bin. As you can see, I've already installed it. So it comes with version 12.18.2. This is the current, this is the version I'm running. It's not the current. The current version is 12.18.3, but it's all Node. We are just going to work with that. So, all right. The next step, we are going to install Visual Studio Code uh, for code editing. Is without a doubt the most popular editor out there, and yeah, there are many others. It's just a matter of choice, really, guys. So I'm used to Visual Studio Code. You can go ahead and download Atom, Sublime, Brackets, any of them. You just want to get the work done. So all right, so I already have it. Visual Studio Code. I'm not going to download it. So you can also head to code.visualstudio.com/download to download for your respective platform or operating system. So now, sorry, we are going to dive right into it. Okay, but first you can head to reactjs.org and read some documentations about React. It's very good. It's a very good practice to like read the docs before getting into any framework for you to know beforehand what you are going to work with. All right, so we are going to create a React app for the very first time. I've already started it, but just for tutorial sake, we are going to write it again here. So you go ahead and type npx create hyphen react app, and then the name of the app. In this case, we are going to create to do app. So we type as to do app. All right. After doing this, npx create react app to do app. We execute the command, and then it creates a new app for us. I've already created mine, so I'm going to go ahead and then stop it. But you guys can just let it execute till it's done, and then you can pause the tutorial and then continue after you are done with the installation. So I did this because I don't want to waste a lot of time recording the video and then waiting for the app to install at the same time. All right, so what we are going to do now is open up our to do app folder and then expand the source. We have app css, app.js, app.test.js. All right, guys, this are going to be a bit confusing. So we are going to go ahead and remove some of them. But first, we are going to, you have to go into your directory, which is the to-do app. In my case, I'm already in the directory, so I'm just going to execute npm start. Wait for it. Yeah, it's done. It's opening up in 7 at the port 3000 localhost. That's a default port coming with all React bundles. All right, it's still loading. Yeah, it's done. So you should see this screen. You should see this page, and then we are going to go ahead and edit it and then make it ours. All right, so in the next episode, we are going to work in this directory, which is the source. We are going to take out some of the files or yeah, directories that we are not going to need for now, and then go ahead and create our to-do app. Thanks for listening and watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. This is the very first video, guys. It's a bit underwhelming, I will understand. So you guys just subscribe, leave a like, comment if anything didn't go well, just comment. If you don't understand anything, if you face any difficulties, just leave it in the comments and I'll reply back and give you any help as necessary. All right, see you later.